Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. Usually, we Windows users never update system drivers. We keep drivers not up to date until something suddenly happened or stopped working. Maybe the sound not working properly, or the Bluetooth not working or refused to connect, or the display start lagging, or Wi-Fi stops connecting. In most cases, the real problem is outdated drivers or missing. Manually searching for drivers is confusing. You have to figure out which driver is missing, which version you need, and which website is safe to download from. Many websites are risky for downloads. That's why in this video, let me show you how to update all drivers on Windows 11 for free using a very simple method. You do not need any paid software, and you do not visit random driver websites. So, without further delay, let's get it started. For that, just open your browser and search for Snappy Driver Installer Origin. Click and open the official website, and here click on Download Now. Then here just scroll down and click on this Snappy Driver Installer link. This will download installer zip file to your computer. Once the download is complete, go to Downloads folder, right-click on the zip file, and click Extract. After extraction, open the new folder. Inside the folder, you will see two application files. One is for 32-bit systems, and other is for 64-bit systems. Select yours. This case, it is 64-bit, so right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Accept the license agreement and allow the application to run. This will open Snappy Driver Installer Origin welcome screen. Here you will see three options. The first option is Download all driver packs. This downloads the complete driver databases for almost every hardware devices. It's a very large download, usually tens of gigabytes. This option mainly for technicians who want to use the tool offline on multiple computers. The second option is Download network drivers only. This downloads only LAN and Wi-Fi drivers. It's useful when your internet is not working. The third option is Download indexes only. This is the recommended option for most users. It downloads a small index file that scans your system and shows only the drivers that are relevant to your PC. For normal home users, always choose this option. This will start downloading a small index file and that scan your system to check which drivers are outdated or missing. After the scan is complete, you will see a list of drivers. It will clearly show which drivers are outdated, which one have newer versions available, and if any drivers are missing. You can click on each driver to see more details, such as the current version and the available versions. Now comes the best part. If you want to update specific drivers, select that. If you want to update everything at once, simply click on Select All, then click on Install. The program will automatically start downloading and installing all the required drivers. Depends on your internet speed and the number of drivers, this may take some time to get it finished. Just wait until the process is complete. Once the installation is finished, you will see a notification says that restarting your computer. Restart your computer to complete the driver installation process. After restarting your computer should running with the latest driver installed. If you don't see any yellow warning sign next to any devices, that means everything is properly installed and working correctly. This reason this method is better than many other driver updater tool is because it is completely free. It does not force you to pay anything before installing drivers. It does not show annoying ads. It does not install unnecessary softwares. It simply scans your system and installs the correct driver that your computer needs. So, this is how you can update all drivers on Windows 11 for free. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.